right, 432, second window, please.
All right, thanks. Hey everyone, Trinkenell here. Welcome back to the channel. Finally made it back down to deer property. Going to load that firewood, put up the roof extension, fill up the water barrel, and get some odds and ends done. Check a camera or two. So if you watched my other video about 3 weeks ago, I guess this is part 2. So y'all follow along with us and sit back and enjoy. Oh yeah, I got to get some too. You got some extra ones in there? I need you to get mine.
I probably have some.
You don't? I got to go. I wondered why it didn't feel right when I was unloading this wood.
Here you go.
Appreciate you, lad. I thought of the same thing you did as far as cutting some saplings and putting them down, but I thought, you know what, we're gonna burn it. It ain't gonna, I mean, it ain't gonna like it's gonna rot and, you know, it might, I guess. You got a lot of it, but it ain't gonna hurt it though. You're right. I mean, we should have done it, but we didn't. Like you said, bring a chainsaw. I'm glad you just got the trailer finally, huh? I guess this second row, I'll move it back a little bit where we won't trap ourselves, I guess, because we're going to get it to where we stagger ourselves all of a sudden, you know what I mean? We can't get it where it knocks us over is what I meant. Boy, I'm glad to have this stuff, ain't you? Oh yeah. That's an even better idea. We're not getting each other. We'll both throw a lot of crap over there. This is even better to kind of tweak it as you go, right? Right where we're going a while ago. We're going to be here for 2 hours. Nice little stack of wood that ought to hold us up for the season. We have more back at Jared's house, but I think we're good. We're 2 wide on that and about, I don't know, waist, belly button high. So we're good to go. Okay,
So if you're
you
right
want to be
there-
the screw man?
Well, let me drill some pilot holes in them things first.
All right. I don't even see really bringing any other 2x4 down here. Just put this block here and that'd be all we need to do anyway. Okay. I'm gonna get us lined up like I want us. And
I'll put this one in first.
you're good.
Just to get it in there.
We're good. It ain't. Well, you know what? We didn't come through, which is awesome.
Yeah.
You're good to screw that one all the way. It's gonna work like a dream having that little overhang there. I'm glad they're not coming out on the back side.
Well, I grabbed 3 inchers, but 2.5 wouldn't have been enough meat.
Yeah, I told you I do have a tarp in the camper, so whichever one you want to try to use for the back side of that one. Don't forget, we got to move that picnic. I can't, I'm not as tall as you, so what about up there? Can you,
Right there.
I think I'm on the
You're
line,
good.
ain't I?
Yep, you're good right there. I'm right-handed. I gotta go in this way.
You're left-handed, right-handed. Perfect. They ain't coming through, which suits me just fine.
Just eyeball it far as level.
No, it's good. I mean, that's close enough.
Food smells in the truck.
This ain't the prettiest caulk job, but it's gonna do what it needs to do. I ain't gonna bother even wiping it with a paper towel or nothing. Got one more little thing right here.
Come my way.
Pick that one little seam up right there. There you go. Now, you gotta manipulate that in there if you can get your hands underneath there. See the metal? There we go. One more, a little bit more. Hold on. Maybe work one side up at a time. Oh, we're losing the thing. There we go. Wait a minute, let me see if I can.
There we
My
go.
thumb. We
Sorry.
gotta come this way a little bit. Are you hanging over there? What you looking like? We're kind of wobbly jawed on the edge. Go ahead and get you one started right here. All right, let me get out of the way. Perfect. Okay, I'm gonna let you get on. Which is your best angle here? You're right-handed, so here.
Right-handed, just as long as I can see it.
All right, let me get out of the way. So, at least a little bit. So, is that where you want to get?
I don't know. I don't know if I'm ever gonna make this work.
Maybe come from this side if you need to.
Nah, here we go. All right, hold on.
It's gonna tie together perfectly. Pull it down. Perfect. See, yeah, look at that. It's gonna be awesome. Uh-oh. You're ready to go now. You can find an angle. What are we looking like right there? Good.
Let's see what I can do with it.
There, right there. Right there or right there? What do you like?
Down low will be good. That's gonna pull it.
We're flush on this edge right here, so.
Drop this side just a little bit right there.
Before you do that second, well, you can go ahead and do the second
I'm
one.
gonna do that side.
All right.
You think that's it?
That's it. Okay. There you go, you're coming through. Come on down. Oh.
That's gonna pull it down. That will never come loose now.
Right.
That's what I wanted.
You want to use the self-tapper first, or you good with scissors?
Yeah, I'll get it.
I hear you. There she went. Perfect. All right, it worked out really good. We had a little 2-foot overhang because before we'd cook, if it rained, it'd come in there sideways and wet everything. So it's nothing fancy, but it worked out just like we wanted. So little 2-foot wide by 8 foot long. We got the overhang. Originally when we built the other one, as you can see, the metal's not overhanging, but we wanted that, but we didn't have long enough metal at the time. So that's it. We put a little reinforcement 5/4 board there to keep it sturdy, and that's the finished product.
Green Mile.
Rolling on 2, boss.
Rolling on 2, boss. All right, here we go.
Here we go. Let me get over there and hold that funnel for you. All right. All right, let's do this thing. I think it's actually got 15 or 20 gallons in it already.
I can smell the bleach already.
Well, it's got some in the bottom then.
Yeah.
Takes that first little 20 seconds to get a siphon on it.
Yeah. Well, and I figured out if you hold this thing to the back of it, it leaves a big gap for air to come out.
I'm trying to take a bath down here. Easy though. That's got that flow going now like I'm talking about.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can smell the bleach in there, which is good. By the way, folks, this is not for drinking. This is for cooking with. I mean, as far as washing dishes and rinsing hands and that kind of stuff. We don't drink it, but we like to put bleach in here so, you know, it kills all the bacteria. Set it not far up on it.
I mean, it's almost perfect. The fat side, the little ones go on the high side, and the big ones go on the other side. It's too heavy to do that. Let me have that skinny one.
All right. Yeah, I got these from a neighbor where this is chipped somehow.
You chipped it for when we had to move it over there.
All right, Elvis. Oh, watch my head.
I know. I'm just showing you. Go in more. A little bit more. There you go.
Right
Let's
there.
see what that looks like. Yep.
That's gonna be close, huh?
Yep. There you go.
Right there. Try that.
There.
Is it rickety or rockety? Watch it.
It's rockety on one side.
We're a little low right here.
Yep. We gotta put something. That 5/4 board will probably do it.
If I tell you, yeah, that might do it. All right, lift her up. All right, try it now. How are we? That's pretty close, isn't it?
Mm-hmm. He thought he saw my truck go by the gym in Madison.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
That's close enough, as they say, for government work, ain't it?
Yeah, like I said, I think that's it, ain't it?
That's it. You tell me, sit at it and see what you think. I think it's not rocking or anything.
Right. I knew we was gonna be right pretty much on the money where it was before. Come on, you're good. Keep coming. A little bit more.
Yeah, what we're doing here is we're going to take the floodlight down and relocate it to our tree right here, because once we extended this roof right here, it's kind of blocking us, and we wanted a more downward angle anyway, so no big deal. What do you need, a screw?
Yeah, I need that screw and that washer laying on you. The washer's right there. Here we go. That'll do it. Here, let me just see the screw and washer first. Get this where I'm gonna hold it with my hand.
Is that as high as you want it?
Yeah, I think so. I mean, that's gonna be up there.
Okay, that'd be
I
fine.
go higher. Hold my ladder.
No, you're good. You go right about there. Yeah, there you go. Remember, we got to cook with the grill too, so probably straight out, I guess. Or angle it maybe a little if you want just a touch. Okay guys, we're about to wrap this up. So we got a lot done today. We of course unloaded the wood over here that we split 3 weeks ago on another video. Got it covered with a tarp, so that'll keep it somewhat dry. Got our little skinning rack and our table. Got our water barrel full. Got our cook station, you know, little facelift on it. Got a little overhang. Got a tarp on the back. We relocated our light to where we can have a better view of the downward look. And what else? That's about it. We got to go over here and get the propane tank off the camper, take it back and fill it up, but we got to replace tarps in the near future. So that's it, guys. We'll see everybody on the next video. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next video.